So, for our fun stop this morning, we'll be attempting to move objects with the power of sound vibrations using everyday household items.
Right?
What do we have?
And as we like to do in experiments, somebody has to give the directions, note the research, and somebody...
Tell me what to do.
All right, so...
Tell me what to do.
First thing you're doing, you have the cup or bowl, plastic wrap.
We do.
Colored sprinkles.
We do.
Large plate or tray.
We don't have no
We
large
don't, but the table gonna work as a large, right?
Yeah.
Stretch a piece of plastic wrap across the top of the bowl.
So.
Yes. Use a rubber band to hold it in place. Okay, good luck. All right. That's like you couldn't find a smaller rubber band.
Give me another one.
And then adjust the plastic wrap so it is as tight and as flat as possible with no wrinkles. Nothing.
Now you tear this, please.
Put the bowl onto a plate or tray to catch any sprinkles that fall off. At this moment, okay.
What must do with it now?
Bring your lips very close to the edge of the bowl without touching it.
No, but what, just leave it so?
Try humming loudly and watch the plastic wrap closely.
Wait, say I must.
Can you see anything?
No, what I must do?
Not yet. So bring your lips to the edge of the bowl without touching it.
Yeah.
Try humming loudly and watch the plastic wrap. What happens? Can you see anything? Yes.
Hum, you say?
Yes.
Not
Not a thing.
Not a thing happening.
Come on, try again. No, what is that?
Right, as well?
Yeah, bring it lower. Nothing happens. All right, add some sprinkles
To the top
to
here?
the top of the plastic wrap. Try humming again.
More sprinkles?
Me not think so. Carb tight gun, me not help you clean it up. And try humming again. If nothing happens, try humming louder.
Never move.
Then try varying the pitch of your humming, high or low. If the sprinkles fall off the bowl, add more of them. What happens after you stop humming?
Just one move. One single one.
The moral of the story is...
Yeah, tell me, please.
The sprinkles don't like Neville humming.
See them a move there?
That look more like the ear where you're humming. It's not moving, Nebs.
There you go.
Right?
I feel me humming at the wrong spot.
The wrong frequency.
I don't know.
See if I do it tighter. Where are we hearing, Shane? I don't know what names. I could try that one, yeah, and see. Put it on there. She said flat, flat, flat. All right. Put the sprinkles. Maybe it needs some Jurassic Park humming like the dinosaur. Not now because we are going. That's not the humming. That's like the breath from my. Eh? Try sing out. Try sing out.
Ba ba ba. Ba ba.
We not in a nothing with stress. None of the sprinkles not moving cause Jamila have no sense.
Hold on. Wait. Where's speaker there?
Make happiness. Maybe it needed more sprinkle, nothing. Maybe it wants some more. Maybe it's not enough. Come Nebs now.
Well,
It not work.
question. We have any kind of video to show that this actually works?
Felicia, you come up with this. Yeah, man, I should have known. Why we never know? You should come put one more elastic band. You need only for elastic band. Come Neville.
This one have two.
It's a olive, Neville, olive. All right. I don't want to hurt my finger.
Again, you don't have a video to show that this works?
Between Asia and Felicia, you know, so. I better we play him. Come here. I better we play marble.
Scientist.
All right. One of the great things about experiments is that some of them are not always supposed to work. So we're going to go back to the drawing board and we're going to write up our conclusion of this experiment with a note to say, never do it again. There you go. Scientists at their best. Nebs, Kebs, and I. On the other side of the break, UK Member of Parliament Diane Abbott zooms in. We're going to be talking about breaking the gender bias, people. Soon come.
Oh.